guys, welcome to this channel. And today we are going to unbox this thing. Okay? So let me first open this. Other people on YouTube make it look so easy. Whoa. That's right. No, it don't work. And what do we have here? I think these are some cables. I am not literate enough, but I can tell you. These are cables. And now, see there, this is going to be a very satisfying peel. Boom.
3 hours later.
Now as you can see, I have installed this monitor, so now we can talk about its features. Also has HD display so that you can see your excess pimples. Also has a screen refresh rate of 75 Hz. If you don't know what screen refresh rate is, it is rate at which screen refreshes. This monitor also comes with a webcam and it has a shutter. Make sure to leave it open so that your FBI agent can spy on you. It has two USB ports in which, like me, you can connect nothing cause you are poor. Guys, the video is over. If you liked it, press subscribe and like. If you don't like it, please reconsider watching.